let's go ahead and look at a little bit more of a complicated problem. Let's look at number 13. Okay, I say that this is a little bit more complicated because you have to make sure that you line up your place value in order to get the correct answer. So it says 12 minus 4 and 39/100. All right, so this is like what we did earlier in on the adding, but we've got 12 whole units. And I'm just going to go ahead, I know it's not in the problem, and put a decimal point right there so that I know that there's a decimal after that. So then I'm going to subtract 4 and 39/100. All right, I'm going to go ahead and fill in these missing place values with zeros. Now, now I'm seeing that I'm going to have to borrow a little bit. Some of you might be wanting to just put a 3 right here and a 9 right here, and you can't do that. I have 0 minus 9, so I have to go ahead and borrow. So I can't borrow from this, so I'm going to have to borrow from this 2. This 2 is going to become a 1. This 0 is going to become a 10, which then is going to become a 9, and then that's going to make this 0 into a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 3, we can do that. 9 minus 3 is 6. I can carry my decimal point at this point, and then I'm going to try to do 1 minus 4, but I can't do that, so I'm going to go ahead and have to borrow from this 1, that 1 into a 0, and that makes this 1 become an 11. 11 minus 4 is going to give me 7. So my answer here is 7 and 61/100. And the nice thing about this is you can look, and if you see that problem down at the bottom of the paper, you know that you've done it right. And if you don't see this product or this answer down at the bottom, you know that you probably need to rework it. So I do see this down there, so this is the correct answer for number 13 on subtracting decimals.